my name's with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. Oh, been doing a lot. So Sunday I made rice flour, and so I'll put the link in the cards. There'll be a few, maybe 4 or so, whatever, about the rice flour. So Rebecca asked if we use the rice flour to make cornbread. So that's what I'm doing. I already put all the ingredients in here. I just gotta stir it up and everything. So it was 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of the said flour. So I used the rice flour. I will put the recipe down below. Just your basic with your powder and powdered sugar. My mind went blank. Yeah, baking soda and baking powder. 1 egg, 1 4 cups of, it says buttermilk, but I just went ahead and used regular milk. And then 1/4 cup of oil. You know, your salt and all that stuff. I mean, it's turning out looking good. I've got my oven set at 375 and it bakes for 30 minutes until it's done, you know, when it comes out clean with a fork and everything. So I can understand the buttermilk makes a difference, but I'm just like, not today. So I'm gonna grease my pan with a little bit of oil. Because yeah, we're not using a spray thing anymore, so I'm not going into all that detail because there's other channels that do quite well about talking about what we should or should not have. And that's okay, we need to know those things. Alrighty, so that went into the trash can. We're going to pour this into my small one. Alrighty, here we go. I'm wondering if I should add some cinnamon to it, you know, some flavoring, which everybody can. You can always add other stuff to it. Sometimes cornbread is just good by itself. Sometimes, you know, I like to have a little punch with it. And that's kind of punchy, you know. So, I might just sprinkle some cinnamon on it like this. How about that? Alrighty. It's going to go in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I'll tell y'all the time, and when it is done, I'll bring y'all back. Oh lordy, you know, I always forget there's a pan in the oven. Alright, so sit that there, let that cool off before I move it anywhere else. And here it goes. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alrighty, so this was about 25-30 minutes, and I've already taken the knife and it comes out clean. It smells good. That's the cinnamon on top, and then when it cools, yes indeed, there will be a taste test. So be waiting for the taste test. Alright, so the cornbread has cooled off. That's with the cinnamon on top. So it's not burned. We are going to taste test this. Okay. Here we go. Tastes like cornbread. It works really well. Just all on the drier side. So if you like your cornbread moist, you would just add maybe another egg, maybe a little bit more milk or oil or something to make it moist. Because it's kind of like on the dry side, and I know cornbread usually is. Overall, it works well with me. So there you go. Cornbread made with rice flour instead of regular flour. And cornmeal, and I will post the recipe that I used. I mean, you can even add maybe the applesauce. Oh no, I wouldn't do that just yet. You know, that's a trial and error thing. But I give it a thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.